In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new page in Wix website, a 2026 step-by-step tutorial for beginners. If you're building your website in Wix and want to expand it with more content, adding a new page is one of the most useful things you can learn. This is how you create a fresh page inside your Wix site, whether you want a completely blank page or a ready-made page type. To get started, go to wix.com and sign in to your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, open the website you want to work on so you're inside the Wix editor for your site. This is important because all page creation happens directly from the editor. When your site is open, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see the main editor toolbar there. Click on Add. This is where Wix keeps elements and sections you can insert into your website. After that, click on Pages. This will open the page options where you can create a brand new page for your website. At this point, Wix gives you a few different choices depending on what kind of page you want to make. If you want complete control over the design, you can choose blank page. This is a great option if you want to build a page from scratch and customize every section yourself. You can also add other types of pages instead of starting blank. Wix includes several useful page categories that are especially helpful for beginners because they give you a structure to start with. For example, you can add an about page if you want a place to introduce your business, brand, or story. You can add a services page if you need to explain what you offer. If you want to showcase visual work, you can choose portfolio and galleries. If your website promotes upcoming activities, you can also add an events page. Wix may also show additional page options, including special pages like a 404 page and others. These built-in choices can save time because they're designed for specific purposes and help keep your site organized. As you decide which page to add, think about what your visitors need to find most easily. A blank page is ideal for flexibility, while pre-designed page types are helpful when you want a faster setup. Once you select the page you want, Wix adds it to your site so you can begin editing it right away. From there, you can customize the text, images, layout, and design to match the rest of your website. And that's how to create a new page in a Wix website. It's a simple process, but it gives you a lot more room to grow your site and make it easier for visitors to navigate.